After careful consideration and the need to restrict movement even further, except for essential activities, the following changes will be effected. From Thursday, March 23 to Friday, March 26, the nightly curfew hours will remain at 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. the following morning. So on Saturday, March 27, 2021, the curfew will begin at 12 noon and continue through the rest of Saturday and the entire day on Sunday. Let me say that again, the entire day on Sunday, and end at 5 a.m. on Monday, March 29, 2021. Please note that on Friday, March 26, 2021, workplaces will be required to close at noon, except for essential services, medical establishments, supermarkets, wholesalers, pharmacies, restaurants, and other food establishments, which will remain open up to the curfew time at 8 p.m. And this is to facilitate persons to conduct their shopping to prepare for the tighter weekend curfew. Holy Thursday, curfew starts at 8. The curfew will extend throughout all of Good Friday and would end 5 a.m. on Saturday. On Saturday, April 3rd, the curfew will begin at noon and continue through the rest of Saturday, the entire Easter Sunday, and the entire Easter Monday, and it will end at 5 a.m. on Tuesday, April 6, 2021. So effectively, we have given 3 weekends of weekend lockdown, inclusive of the Easter holidays. Essential services will still be operational, and in this group, I would include our fisher folk and our farmers, and for clarity, the media. But I remind those persons employed to essential services who must move on the no movement days to ensure that you have your ID to present to the police. And just to be clear as well, though you are permitted to move on the no movement days, it is movement in pursuit of your job. The existing protocols, including the requirement for all travelers to present a negative COVID test conducted within 3 days of travel, will be extended to June 30, 2021. To add further clarity, though you may have been vaccinated overseas, when you arrive in Jamaica, the protocol still remains that you must maintain the quarantine. The existing ban on direct flights from the UK will be extended to April 13, 2021. Travelers from the United Kingdom coming through other countries will be required to test on arrival and await the test results in state quarantine at their own cost. Now, workplace clusters are increasingly becoming a matter of grave concern. The existing work from home directive in the public sector is being extended until April 13th, 2021. The age limit for the stay-at-home measure remains at 60 until April 13th, 2021. There should be no face-to-face instruction in all primary and secondary schools, both public schools and independent schools, until April 13, 2021. Students are to be instructed using other modalities, and for clarity, note that this includes students who are to sit the exit examination. So effectively, all schools are closed. As of April 6, the cap on the number of persons permitted at a marriage ceremony will be reduced from 25 to 15. This will be in place until April 13th, 2021. Until April 13th, 2021, services will be permitted for places of worship during the hours 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. A maximum of 12 persons, including officiating clergy and IT personnel, may be physically present to facilitate electronic broadcast from the place of worship. To ensure this is done in an orderly manner, applications are to be submitted to the divisional commanders of each parish through the police station closest to the place of worship, with the list of no more than 12 persons who will be involved in the service. The address of the place of worship and the times of the service should also be submitted with the application. Burials and interment would only be allowed on weekdays. We will not allow any burial on public holidays or on weekends. And that would be between 9 a.m. in the morning and 4 p.m.